Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Dell is on, plugged in, and you're signed in. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, right-click the desktop or press Start and open Settings, then choose Personalization. Make sure the image you want is already in Pictures or on a connected drive so you don't waste time browsing. You're doing this now to move straight into choosing background type, picture, solid color, or slideshow, and to pick the exact file you'll apply. Now you pick how the wallpaper behaves. Click Background and select Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow from the drop-down so Windows knows what to load. Once you choose Picture, hit Browse and navigate to your file, then pick a Fit option, Fill for edge-to-edge, Fit for full image, or Span for multiple monitors, because this controls cropping and clarity. If you have 2 or more displays, select each monitor and set a separate image, which keeps themes consistent across your setup. Finish by applying and confirming the change. Windows usually saves automatically, so you can close settings and check the desktop. Make sure display resolution and scaling match the image for best sharpness and tweak fit if edges look cut off. If the wallpaper won't update, restart Explorer. EXE from Task Manager, sign out and back in, or verify the image file isn't blocked by permissions. If you still see problems, reboot the laptop. This clears temporary issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.